Plenty of open information in there, and it seems she's plenty of...
He's looking good to market down this. Listen up, that's what it is. The penny planted in a picture. Caverns, deep dark waters, stairs, voices. Your sounds very like pleasures indeed.
Oh, mate, it'll be far from plain sailing, I can tell you. If the beast has walking doom there, she'll be none too pleased.
Thank you for riding the Loch Ness monster and enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens. Keep your hands on Thank you, and enjoy your ride on our legendary Loch Ness monster.
Oh, a bonny new team! Welcome! We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Nessie found them. We're trying to find out what's left of the poor souls that were aboard. The mom says they were